What can I do with Cricut? What can Cricut even do? Can Cricut make that? Yeah, probably. Cricut cutting machines cut, draw, score, foil, and more depending on your machine and tools. They work with materials like vinyl, cardstock, paper, iron-on, and so much more. That all sounds great, but people always ask, what can I actually make with a Cricut cutting machine? So today, I'm showing you a bunch of real project ideas. Hi, I'm Emily with Cricut. In this video, we'll talk about 6 different ways to use your Cricut machine, from everyday use to celebrating special events. If you've ever wondered what you can do with Cricut, or been looking for a new way to use your machine, this video is for you. The first way you can use Cricut is to make personalized everyday items. Cricut is for everyone, so personalizing something you already own is a great way for beginners to get started. Add a touch of your personality to your car, your walls, or your laptop with vinyl decals. Or make your very own stickers to personalize your water bottle. The next way to use Cricut is for paper crafts, and the possibilities really are endless here. There are hundreds of card templates on Design Space to make the perfect card for any event. The design on this card was actually drawn using Cricut pens, which we have a whole video on, and the shiny details here were added using Cricut Foil Transfer Tool. Or you can use Cricut to scrapbook or make custom banners. How cool is this flag banner? And just a reminder, paper projects don't have to be flat. Look at this adorable origami fox and 3D popcorn project that looks good enough to eat. An exciting way to use Cricut is for custom apparel and accessories. With Cricut Infusible Ink products, you can make pro-level permanent heat transfers onto shirts and other compatible fabrics like this. Or make a custom sports set using heat transfer vinyl. Another way to customize apparel with Cricut is by using permanent vinyl to make a screen printing stencil. And don't forget about DTF transfers. You don't even need a Cricut cutting machine for these. Just create your design in Cricut Design Space and we'll mail you your full color image ready to be applied to your project. Another way to put your Cricut machine to use is by making gifts for friends and loved ones. Cricut makes gift giving so special because every gift can be custom and personal. Whether you're making a gift for a baby shower, making dad feel appreciated on Father's Day, or making something basic like a candle feel more special, you can take any gift to the next level. There are so many great gift ideas on the Cricut blog, but here are a few of our favorites. You can't buy that kind of gift or feeling at the store. Cricut is also useful for making your home more organized and beautiful. Vinyl decal canisters are a perfect project for kitchen organization. I used my Cricut to label all my craft supplies at home, and now finding stuff is so easy. And just look at this personalized dog bowl. I love seeing everyone's Cricut decor projects, from wall art to custom pillows. I want a pillow with my puppy's face on it. Another popular way to use Cricut is for holidays and events. Holiday decorations are so fun and easy with Cricut. And you can use Cricut for everything from invitations to theme decor for any event. We love the idea of banners, cake toppers, or name place cards too. If you want to do the projects we've already talked about, but want even more possibilities, then the Cricut Maker is for you. This machine has a few extra tools and capabilities to really help you bring all your creative visions to life. Leave the cutting to Cricut for quilting and felt projects with a rotary blade. Look how clean these cuts are. You can deboss leather, like the patch on this jacket, create custom engraving projects, or even add perforation, like these raffle tickets. And don't worry about cutting through things like chipboard, because the Maker can handle over 300 materials. This 3D art is amazing. You know, all these projects used to just be thoughts in people's heads, and they made it happen with Cricut. Let me know which of the 6 ways you use your Cricut machine in the comments below. For personalized everyday items, paper crafts, custom apparel and accessories, personalized gifts, for the home, or for holidays and events. And tell me which Maker project you'd like to tackle too. So when people ask, what can Cricut do? The real answer is labels, gifts, clothes, cards, stickers, party decor, home decor, and more. Start with one simple project and you'll quickly see how many things you can make with Cricut.